Hey, I'm Zaman, this is Best Hombre, and today we're going to talk about phone cases and phone mounts.
What we do here is go back.
Every time I get a new car, I'm always trying to figure out how am I going to mount my phone, and I normally have like a couple sets of like standardized phone mounts, like this vent mount here from Moment for my iPhone 12 Pro Max that has the magnet system. One of the first places I always go to check out custom bases for your car that are going to be able to fit in and give you the opportunity to take your phone off of the vent. Like, these vent mounts are great for like every car situation, but essentially when you're looking at these, you're putting your phone on top of the HVAC system. And this vent in particular, I'm not able to really close the vent to keep air from coming through there. In some cars you might be able to just like close the vent, but especially in the winter time when you have heat running, it keeps the phone. Summertime's not so bad if you have the AC cooling your phone, but in the winter you're kind of like heating up your phone can shut off if you're running on a long drive. It's not ideal to always have it on the vent. Plus it takes away from like airflow from, especially this is like my vent, my main vent other than one over here. So one of my go-to spots for these custom bases is ProClipUSA. They always come with pre-taped, but I never actually end up using the tape. They snug in so well, you just don't need the tape. Like for example, right now, this one, it fits right here. And I'm gonna use one of these magnet mounts from Moment, and I'm just gonna glue it to the base here, and then that'll be where I magnet my phone. And if you look at it, it has these little ledges. The ledges kind of just go into the different spots. So for example, this top ledge is going to, let's pull this wire down. This top ledge is kind of gonna sneak in under here. Okay. And then the bottom one just kind of clips down, so I just gotta make sure I'm aligned properly. That's it. So I didn't even take off the glue for the mount, and that way when I need to sell the car, I can just undo that process. And I've sold a few of these off to other people for my other vehicles on eBay, and I'm happy to continue to do that. I bought, this is like my 5th ProClipUSA mount. I use them in almost every single car that I have. So now that I've got that set up, we can take this off and forget about it and keep it, just in case I get another car, and in the interim, in between when I find a custom base, and I can always use this, and or keep it in the glove box, and if I have a passenger that wants to be able to mount their phone, they could. Here's the wall mount. So it's just like a regular wall mount, but it's the same magnet as that car mount. And let's take a look at it. There's 3M tape. It already has 3M tape, but if you need to reuse it for whatever reason, they give you an extra circle, because finding a circle is not always so easy. They come in rolls. The rolls of tape that might not be wide enough. You might have to use 2 pieces of tape. Anyway, it's nice that they give you a backup. So if we're looking at these two, this is the wall mount, and this is the actual air vent mount. They're identical. It's the same magnet. I'm gonna take this off now. This is clean. It's brand new. I'm gonna peel that off. Now, the magnet is wider than the base itself, but never had any problems really in the past. These magnets are always wider than the base. So we're just going to press down real good. See if we can alleviate any air bubbles in between the base and the magnet, and the glue holding the magnet. That's it. It's the new phone mount. So now the phone will be down here, a little bit easier to use because it's within reach of my actual everything. It doesn't block any of the buttons here. I don't have any buttons here, so it doesn't block anything for me. It might block something for you if you have something here, but I don't. And I have the climate control. I can clearly see the numbers here. Let's see. Yep, 68. And it's the final installation here. We moved from having one up here. I can now use my vent again, to it now being right here, right next to all of my other hand controls in this command center.
What we do here is go back.